So this is the grand unboxing of my new Kelly Curates brush lettering kit, which I traveled through 2 counties and over a bridge and way over yonder to buy because I'm such a fan of Kelly Curates. This kit has just about everything in it, but I will tell you, one of the things that I really wanted was a tote bag that says Curate Calm. And of course, there are more pens, dream pens, and the new small travel tracing pads and writing pads. So that's really good. Some more brush pens and learn brush lettering. Now, I already have a set, but you can never have too much Kelly Crates. I'm not even sure because I haven't really done a grand unboxing before. So I'm just going to turn it over and you're getting a chance to see my messy kitchen table. But again, this is on the back. There are actually stamps as well. She includes an ink pad and also some cards that you can trace over. Each day is a gift. Listen to your heart. You are stronger than you think. A family is a little world created by love. Be inspired, which is some special cardstock. And here's a picture of the tote bag. So I am so excited about this. I'm going to pause the video for 1 second.